How to prevent mold in the bathroom. No matter how much you clean, your bathroom is always going to be heaven for mold to grow. Since humidity takes almost all the credit for bathroom mold, the best way to prevent mold growth is to control levels of humidity. It is very important to take necessary precautions to prevent mold from growing in your bathroom. As previously mentioned, bathroom mold is often caused by a high level of humidity, which happens when you take a shower. Poor ventilation is another one. Most people close their bathroom door when they are showering. By doing this, they trap all the moisture-laden steam produced by a hot shower. Even if you ventilate your bathroom properly, all the dampness caused by the water in showers, sinks, and even toilets, will eventually cause mold to grow. There is, of course, some extra water in bathroom mats and towels, which can easily become small mold heaven. Last but not least, deteriorating caulk is another common cause of bathroom mold. When grout begins to crack, moist air from a steamy shower can easily find its way into the sides and back of your tile. The main problem with bathroom mold is that it can appear almost anywhere. If you want to check your bathroom for signs of mold, then you should pay attention to these places: caulk, grout and tiles, sink and toilet, bathroom window, ceiling and walls, towels and bathroom robes, shower curtains and mats. Now we have covered all the circumstances which can lead to mold growth in its favorite bathroom places. It is time to create a mold-resistant bathroom. Dealing with poor ventilation and high humidity. Get rid of excess water. Take care of your bathtub, towels and everything involved in the showering process. Pay close attention to shower curtains, floor mats and other pieces of cloth. Taking care of the grout. Depending on where you wash your clothes, you might also have an additional room to take care of. If you have a separate room for laundry, the possibility of mold developing in there is practically the same as in the bathroom. In the laundry room situation, you should take the same precautions to prevent mold from growing. Start with the basics. Make sure your windows are open regularly and fans turned on. If there is a need for them, add dehumidifiers to keep the level of humidity under control. Floor covers can also be a base for mold to grow on. Therefore it is very important to clean them regularly and to keep them dry. Regularly check behind your washing machine to make sure everything is leak-free, and keep your washer slightly away from the wall so that there is plenty of space for air to flow and keep the wall dry. Additionally, be prudent in cleaning any dust and excess laundry lint which may be collecting around the dryer area, and behind the machines. If you spot any stubborn mold, contact mold busters to ensure that is the only moldy place, and to clean it properly before it spreads. To book a same-day inspection, call us at 1-877-566-6653.